What up guys? So the NotCoin posted this Not Pixel in their community recently, and the game looks very different, and a lot of people find it complicated and difficult to play. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to get started, how you can play, how you can earn with this game. Although it looks complicated, but it's actually very easy to play. All right, so I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to do all that in this video. So if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here right now, you need to stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, so to get started, you need to use the link in the description of this video. Click on it. It's going to bring you straight to this interface. You can see we are on the Telegram application right here, and what you have to do is to click on OK. You have to click on OK. In order for you to start playing this game and start earning, all you have to do, zoom in. Alright, let me just zoom in. You can zoom. Okay, over here now, all you have to do here is to just start painting this pixel. All right, now to paint, all you have to do is to click. Okay, now I've selected. Now you can decide to change your color by tapping here, then you change the painting. Okay, then I'm going to paint this box. Okay, I'm going to paint this also. I'll decide to paint everything green here because that's what that place is supposed to be. Alright, so I'm out of energy right now. I have to come back here in the next 10 minutes to get another extra 5 energy. So you can see I'm limited to only 5 energy, but we can boost that, and I'll talk about that later on in the video. Alright, so you have to stick with me. So guys, you just have to come back here in the next 10 minutes to get more energy. Alright, remember, once you are painting, you are receiving some rewards here. You're receiving your pixel token up here. You can see where you can see 13 right here. That is where you are accumulating these tokens. So over here you can just click OK, so you can come back later because you are out of energy right now. You will come back, the energy will be charged up, then you will be able to paint once more. All right, now the more you paint, the more you earn. Okay, now click over here. Let's click here. Now once you come here, this is where you get the passive income section, where you can see claim here. So it is already you can see there's a passive earning here, and this one can be claimed every 8 hours. All right, so every 8 hours you can come in here to click on claim over here, and you'll be getting some pixel on your wallet. That's the PX token. All right, so over here there are lots of what's it called, there are lots of tasks you can also do and get some bonus from here. So all you have to do is to come over here and complete these tasks that are over here. You can see over here that says browser and all this things. You just have to join this community and you are going to be getting some of this token. Now quickly, let me just click on this community. All right, I'm going to join the NotCoin community over here, then I'm going to go back. All right, so when I'm back here, click on it one more time. You see my account, my balance has increased to 141. So just go ahead, do all this and get some extra tokens over here. That is just how you can keep playing this game to accumulate more of this token, because I know a lot of people are finding it difficult to play. So each time you have energy over here, you just have to come in here, you zoom completely. You can see right now I'm zooming out. Now if you want to zoom in, just zoom in with your screen, or use this plus sign or this minus sign to zoom out. All right, now over here there is a boost and all that, but it requires you having some star on your wallet. All right, you have to buy it with star, and to get star you need ToonCoin to buy star, and you can transfer it over here. So if you want me to show you how to do all that later on, maybe how to buy star and all that, you guys to let me know in the comment section. Put it in the comment section and I'll make another video entirely on how to buy star for you guys. Over here you click on the plus sign, like a profile, and plus sign over here. This is where you will need to get your referral link, and also share, and you also get some bonus from here. All right, so you need to do all this. These are the things you need to really do often on this application, on the Not Pixel application, in order for you to earn. All right, over here where you can see the star button, if you click on it, this is where you can come in when you have enough star to participate in all this. But that is just the simple things you need to know and how to play with the Not Pixel game. All right, it's very easy. You can click on the boost section also. If you click on the boost section, you can also boost your account by using the boost over here. Then if you are boosting, you are going to be boosting with your account. So that's with the pixels you have on your account. You can use it to boost your account and increase more. I'm just going to do the first one for you guys to see energy. I'm going to increase my energy. Now it's going to be 6 instead of having 5 each time. I'll be having like 6 energy each time, and so on. You have to keep increasing it, but it's going to be taken out of your balance. All right, that is just how you can increase your earnings with this application. All right, so it's as simple as that, guys. So I'll be dropping more updates in my Telegram channel so that you don't miss out. The link is in the description of this video. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. So I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.